from hanging on too tight. Clench shut jaw. I've got another headache again tonight. Eyes on fire, and the burn from all the tears. I've been crying, I've been dying over you. Tying knot in the rope, trying to hold, but there's nothing to grab, so I let go. I think I finally had enough. I think I maybe think too much. I think this might be it for us. Only one last kiss. You think I'm just too serious? I think you're full of shit. My head is spinning, so only one last kiss. Just when it can't get worse, I've had a shit day. Have you had a shit day? We've had a shit day. I think that life's too short for this. Want back my ignorance and bliss. I think I've had enough of this. Only one last kiss. I won't miss all of the fighting that we always did. Take it in. I mean what I say when I say there is nothing left. No more sip, whiskey dick, no more battles for me. You'll be calling a trick, cause you no longer sleep. I'll dress nice, I'll look good, I'll go dancing alone. I will laugh, I'll get drunk, I'll take somebody home. I think I finally had enough. I think I maybe think too much. I think this might be it for us. Only one last kiss. You think I'm just too serious? I think you're full of shit. My head is spinning, so only one last kiss. Just when it can't get worse, I've had a shit day. Have you had a shit day? We've had a shit day. I think that life's too short for this. Want back my ignorance and bliss. I think I've had enough of this. Only one last kiss. I will do what I please, anything that I want. I will breathe, I won't worry at all. You will pay for your sins, you'll be sorry, my dear. All the lies will all be crystal clear.